Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a new post or story from your favorite people on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to get first post and story notifications from the accounts you follow. Whether you're keeping up with friends, creators, or brands, these quick steps will help you stay in the loop every time to share something new. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will open up a menu where you can adjust all sorts of options related to your account and notifications. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This is where you control what Instagram alerts you about, so you never miss the updates that matter most to you. Now, select Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section lets you fine-tune the notifications you receive for different activities on Instagram. Scroll down until you see the option labeled First Posts and Stories. This is the feature that will make sure you're notified right away when someone you follow shares their first post or story of the day. To turn on these notifications, select From Profiles I Follow. With this setting enabled, Instagram will send you a notification whenever anyone you follow uploads their first post or story, so you can be among the very first to see and react. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've set up Instagram to keep you updated on the latest posts and stories from the people you care about. If you ever want to customize these notifications further, just revisit these settings and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and Instagram updates. See you in the next video.